everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm here today to explain about logo printings available for you guys. So most customers get confused when we explain to them about the logo printings available. We have a single belt waist trainer, a double belt waist trainer, and a 3-belt waist trainer, as I've shown you in our previous videos. We usually recommend to print your logos on the belt area for these waist trainers. But the belts are not always the same size. As you can see here, the single belt and the double belt waist trainer have a larger belt size. The width is bigger, so the logo size can be up to 7.5 centimeter, which is almost 3 inches. But when we see the 3-belt one, it has a smaller width, the belt is smaller. So it can only fit a logo with the size of 5 centimeter, which is almost 2 inches. If it's any bigger, it's not going to be able to fit on the 3-belt one. So when you order the single, the double, and the 3-belt waist trainers together, you can order both sizes, the 5 centimeter logo size and the 7.5 centimeter logo size, to be printed on it and pay for both logo sizes. Or you can just order the 5 centimeter logo size because it can fit on all 3 waist trainers. So this will be a better option because it's going to be cost effective for you guys. And we also have another belt waist trainer. It's called an elastic belt waist trainer. It's different from the ones before because the belt is elastic. So this is the elastic belt waist trainer. It's different from the ones before because this belt is elastic. And also, you see here, this is called a laser bag. This is where you print your logos if you want. So the laser bag is more convenient to print a logo on than the ones before because when you print it here, it's going to be long lasting. It's not gonna come off at all. But unfortunately, we use a different machine to mold your logos on here. It's not the same machine we use the other ones. So when you order this waist trainer and those types of waist trainer and you want to print your logos, you're going to order 2 types of logo printings. Okay, so you're going to order a logo printing that's going to mold your logos to the laser bag, and another machine that uses another the heat transfer method to print your logos on those latex and neoprene waist trainers. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are some information. So if you have any other questions you want me to explain to you guys, leave a comment on this video and we'll get back to you. Make sure to subscribe and give us a like. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys in another video next time.